The last episode is approaching. Don't miss our special guest that will change your thinking and will share invaluable insights. Get ready to be amazed by a student innovator from USTP Oral Canada. Join us as the cinematic production team responds to a list of questions, sharing their thoughts and experiences openly.
What can you say about our Group 1 cinematic production team throughout the whole production session?
I see right with you, it's now signing off.
Watch all of that this coming Monday here on I Citify with You.